Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out a self-assessment tax return. First, ensure you have all your financial records ready, including any Form 1099s you received and detailed expense logs. Next, register for the appropriate online tax service or download the correct paper forms. It's crucial to understand your specific tax obligations as a self-employed person to avoid errors. This initial preparation will make the entire process much smoother and less stressful for you. Now, let's focus on your income and expenses. You must accurately report every dollar of self-employment income you earned throughout the tax period. Remember to deduct all eligible business expenses, such as office supplies, travel, or professional development, as these reduce your taxable income. Maintaining meticulous records for at least 6 years is vital for any potential audits, ensuring you can always justify your figures. Moving on to calculating your tax bill. First, you'll need to calculate your total taxable profit after all your eligible deductions have been applied. Then, determine your income tax and national insurance contributions based on this profit. Don't forget to consider any payments on account you might have already made throughout the year, as these will reduce your final amount due. This step ensures you pay the correct amount. Finally, it's time to review and submit. Carefully go through every section of your return to ensure all information is accurate and complete. Submitting your return by the official deadline is crucial to avoid any late filing penalties. Once submitted, keep a copy for your records. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to grab Some Little Trees black ice for your car, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.